What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Now, the tables have turned. Ding, ding, ding. Finally, somebody is starting to speak back up to the SEC. Lately, the SEC has been suing this project, telling this project you can't do things right. Exchange is not doing things right. You gotta pay this much because you influenced this project. Well, I think finally an exchange has had enough. So, Justin, take us through the story, man.
Yes, so Coinbase is suing the SEC, and they're looking for some regulatory clarity when it comes to crypto. So, uncertain regulations have been the highlight of the US crypto market, as we've known for a while now, and this sentiment has even pushed several out of the country. The stringent oversight of the SEC in particular has brought an immense stress on the market. Late on Monday, Coinbase filed a lawsuit against the SEC requesting that the court order the organization to reply to its demand for more clarity around crypto laws. So moving on, in a limited legal action, Coinbase has asked a federal court in the United States to order the SEC to respond yes or no to a petition they submitted in July 2022, so almost a year ago now. The exchange posed 50 specific concerns to the watchdog in the petition from July 2022. The exchange addresses both cases. If the SEC responds no to the rulemaking petition, Coinbase can contest the decision in court. The firm will reportedly point out to the court why rulemaking is pertinent. And then they went on to say, so it's important for the SEC and other agencies petition for rulemaking to respond to the petition once the agency has made up its mind, especially if the answer is no. Otherwise, the public can never exercise its right to ask a court if the agency decision was proper. Regulatory clarity is overdue for our industry, yet Coinbase and other crypto companies are facing potential regulatory enforcement actions from the SEC, even though we have not been told how the SEC believes the law applies to our businesses. So it's kind of funny, Hubs, that that Coinbase and a lot of these other companies are coming out and saying, "Hey, we don't have any clarity at all." Meanwhile, the SEC and Gary Gensler are saying the law is crystal clear, and y'all know what it is, and y'all need to follow it. So what do you think about the SEC getting sued by Coinbase?
Well, we all know the SEC is full of shit. If you guys saw the testimony that he gave in Congress, Gary Gensler was all over the place. He had no clear and concise information in regards to what they're expecting the laws to be in crypto. And that's part of the problem, right? Crypto is an asset that's coming. Regardless if you believe in it or disbelieve in it, it's coming. I don't think that 90% of these cryptos will be here, but some of them will be. And if they're going to be here and these exchanges are going to operate, Coinbase is 100% correct. We need to be suing, not for monetary gain. We need to be suing for clarity so that these exchanges can operate in a way that's conducive for the new asset class. I think it's counterproductive, right? It's counterproductive to just punish people for things that Gary is basically saying, well, you know what the rules of regular money is and regular securities, right, is. So we're going to put those rules on you. It's like, well, this isn't regular securities. Like, this is something that needs special attention. So we need clear guidance. The problem with Coinbase is having with the SEC is that a lot of these practices that they're suing them for now or calling them to the carpet now, SEC, this is things that Coinbase has been doing. So it's like, well, when did it become a problem when you've known that we've been public for 3+ years, right? So I think that's where the confusion comes in. I hope that this gets resolved. Do I have faith that it will happen soon? No, I don't. However, I think this is a step in the right direction, and I really hope other exchanges follow in those footsteps. That being said, you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and join myself and Justin at the ClearCryptos education channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.